What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. So shout out to my wife. She made this for me. This will be the logo. And yeah, that's that. With that, we'll get to that a little bit later. But anyways, I have the Neiko socket set impact. I was waiting on sales, but all right, there we go. Neiko socket set, showing y'all right there. This is the back. Okay, so, and that light went out. Okay, we got it right there. You see that? 32-piece set, half-inch drive, which I have my half-inch with me. Y'all saw me with my 3/8 drill HP. This is the old one that I had for a while now. So, yeah. Gotta love Ryobi, right? And let's get to opening it. Okay, you guys, here we go. Ready to open the Neiko set. All right. That is your case. And I did review Neiko's the drill bits, the metal bullet drill bits. I will put a link in the description on that. All right, we got 2 extensions. This is the 5-inch extension. And then over here, you got the 3-inch extension. It feels good in the hand. All right. 1 1/4. In the middle, you got the reducer. So it goes from the 3/8 to 1/2 inch, in case you got a 3/8 socket. So all these look pretty good. It don't look like I got hustled out of same numbers. You know, 15, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 24, 27, 30, 32. And then, you know, over here, you got this side is the smaller side. You got the 10, the 11, the 12, 13, 14, 3/8, 7/8, 1/2 inch, 9/16, the 5/8. And then you got the big boys, 11/16, the 3/4, 3/16, 7/8, 5/16, 1 inch. We have the 1 1/16, 1 1/8, 1 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/8, 1 1/16. And that's about it with this socket set. Okay, you guys, now it's time for the moment of truth. I got my new Neiko set, and I am excited right now. So we have the 19 right here. We're gonna hook it up to our impact wrench. And turn it up all the way. And it's not new no more, it is used. But that is the 6 points. You see how I got like little grooves in it? Just showing y'all that. Just in case y'all wanted to know the points, the 6 points on it. But that's it. That is the Neiko set. So this will be in my trunk of my car along with my 1/2 inch baby. I do have the 3/8 somewhere. I think it's in the basement. My 3/8 HP one that I did a review with. Don't be scared to hit that subscribe button. And that will be it for now. I'm ready to go to the next review.